in the geographynetwork.com again to download SF1 census tract level data, the basic population for Middlesex and Somerset County. So data, downloadable data, census 2000 Tiger Line file, and preview and download, and New Jersey, select layers, census tract demographic SF1, submit selection, proceed. No, I have to choose this, right? All county, right? And proceed to download. So your data file is ready, and download file, open. Make sure that you need to unzip this file again one more time, and extract file. Basically it has TGR 34000 SF1 TRT, census tract SF1 data for entire New Jersey. Extract all file. Next, destination, right? CGIS. So if I show this data actually by using Excel file, let me just see, open this file, right? Open with Excel. You can see it has the STF ID, right? And also population 2000 and all the basic population data. So what we have to do is we have a Hispanic population, total population. So we know how to calculate the percent, right? Basically, Hispanic population divide by total population, which is pop 2000 times 100, right? And then we know that the key column is going to be STFID. So I'm going to close this. So what I have to do is go to this ArcMap, right? I need to join that data that we download with this layer. So to join the data, you go to Meet Some City and click right button, join and relay, and join. And I can choose the STFID, which is a key column. Choose a table to join to this layer, which is what? TGR 34000 SF1 TRT DBF file, right? I need to choose that. And choose a field, of course, is STFID, because it needs to be same identical variable. And click OK and say yes. And if you choose this open attribute table after you joined it, you can see there's a data attached, right? Joined to the existing layer. So what is the next step? Next step is what? Calculating percent Hispanic population. So how to create the first Hispanic population data? You need to go to option, create the add field. So say P Hispanic, and type. If it has a decimal, I told you that choose floating. Precision. Precision is basically number of column for your data. And I'm going to add 6. Scale is what? Number of decimal point that you have. So I put this 6 and 2, right? I hit OK. So I have this P Hispanic, PHISP file, the variable created. So what I have to do is I need to calculate the actual number. I click this column, go to field calculator, say you are about to do a calculate outside, and say yes. So the formula is what? P Hispanic divide by pop 2000 times 100, hit OK, and oops, something's wrong. Let's just calculate the field again. Say yes. Ah, look at this. I made a mistake. Basically, the formula is not the P Hispanic divided by population. It's what? Hispanic divided by population. Of course, if I use the P Hispanic as a numerator, it's all zero. So I will get all zero number, right? So times the 100. Hit OK. So I should have all this number. So what I have to do is, once we have this P Hispanic, we know how to, right, create the map. None and say P Hispanic, right? Apply. Okay. So this is a map that shows a percent Hispanic, right? At the census tract level for Middlesex County and then Somerset County. Now we know that the next step is what? Identify 5-mile radius from this area, and then they only create the area, like the map within the 5-mile radius from the Robert O. Johnson Hospital.